In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an open Printify account for print on demand. Let's start right at the source. Open your favorite web browser and head to printify.com. This is the official Printify website where you'll set up your account to start creating and selling custom products through print on demand. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct site and that your connection is secure. On the Printify homepage, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. This takes you to the registration page. You're creating a brand new account here, so make sure you're not clicking Login, which is for existing users. The goal is to keep this simple and secure. On the registration page, choose Continue with Google. This option uses Google's secure sign-in to create your Printify account without needing a separate password. It's convenient and reduces the number of credentials you have to manage. If your browser asks to allow a pop-up for Google sign-in, go ahead and allow it so the process doesn't get blocked. A Google window will appear. Select the Google account you want to use for your Printify business. If multiple accounts are listed, pick the one you'll consistently use for store-related communication and administration. Keeping business and personal activity separate can make things cleaner down the road. Next, you'll see a consent screen. Click Continue to grant the necessary permissions for Printify to connect with your Google account. Review what's being shared, then proceed. This step is standard for secure OAuth sign-ins and helps ensure your identity is verified properly. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. You may be prompted to confirm basic details that are pulled from your Google profile, agree to Printify's terms, and answer a few brief onboarding questions so the platform can tailor your experience. Double-check any pre-filled information for accuracy before moving forward. If you see progress indicators or short forms, complete them as they appear and wait for the page to finish loading between steps. Don't close the tab too early. If the Google window doesn't open or you get stuck on a loading screen, disable any pop-up blockers for a moment, refresh the page, and try again. A stable internet connection helps the authorization flow complete smoothly. Once you've finished the prompts, you'll land on your new Printify dashboard. That's your control center for designing products, managing orders, and accessing account settings. You've successfully created and opened your Printify account, and you're ready to explore the platform with confidence.